guys, it's Sergio.
And Sheila.
And we are the Sergio and Sheila Real Estate Group, your Dallas luxury experts, coming soon to a closing near you.
That's right. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If it's your first time to the channel and you enjoy watching home tours and learning all things real estate, we would like to personally invite you to our YouTube family by subscribing. So please make sure to subscribe down below.
Today we find ourselves in the Midway Hollow neighborhood of Dallas. We're only a few minutes away from Dallas Love Field Airport. We're also a few minutes to the North Park Mall area and about 10 minutes to Galleria Mall area. So Sheila, give us more information about this one.
Yes, this is built in 2025. It's a 5-bedroom, 5.1 baths. It's a 2-car garage. It's 4,435 square feet. It's currently listed at $1,850,000, which is $417 price per square foot, and it's sitting on a 0.21 acre lot, which is roughly 9,000 square feet.
Fantastic. Thank you, Sheila, for that information. Now, guys, I want to remind you, if you're looking to buy or sell here in the Dallas area, and you want to partner with true luxury agents with over 10 years experience, well, that is Sheila and I. You get 2 agents instead of 1, and we're also part of the #1 luxury broker in town, Allie Beth Allman and Associates. So, with all that being said, let's go check out this property.
Enjoy the music and enjoy the tour. Well, there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Down below we have more information about the property, and if you're interested in viewing the property, please make sure to reach out to us.
Or perhaps you're interested in selling your house for top dollar in today's market. Well, we can help you with all your buyer or seller needs here in the Dallas area. All you have to do is schedule a consultation call by clicking on the link down below.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps with the channel.
As always, remember to follow us on Instagram at Sergio and Sheila. Thank you so much for watching.
See you guys next time.